Stand up Black Lives Matter.
Yeah, he was in the vehicle. And you call the landlord to call the tenant.
You think you ain't left the bicycle or the money?
Yeah, man, up top, man. Fully vendetta. Hush. Some man.
Because you also kill this.
Fully touch.
Gaza, I say.
Fully touch.
I mean Gaza, of course.
Ali Palmer. Some man.
Minute. Wait a minute.
Friend Big Danny.
Me see I be a good man there, while side man fall low.
From head to foot. Flick.
He should have got jail if he left.
I was in the vehicle. He rang the landlord. This one did not start over. Or whatever.
You incriminate yourself, bro. See me? You
I'll reach for the pavement.
You will reach for the pavement.
Huh?
You have to lie, bro.
You guessed it.
You say you have evidence from tape, you know? You say you left in a road. And now you say you left on the pavement.
Who put it on the
The
pavement?
next question, you go say you left.
Do it! Make your dreams come true!
So they move from the road to the pavement.
After all that. After all that. After all that. He said he had the bicycle. And the bicycle is in
So
the
you have
yard.
the bicycle.
Dance.
So you really secure the bicycle.
The road, man.
After me left the bicycle.